Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. Hey y'all, Alan, Old Grump's Garage. Just found a 1950 Chevrolet pickup truck. Price is right. It's got good cab corners. The doors look good. Rocker panels look good. Think that's going to be what we need for Project 3100. That's the good news. Bad news? It's in Oklahoma. So, rang up my old buddy Bill. If you remember the episode ways back where we drove to Kansas and bought his two-ton 1972, he said he'd be obliged to come along. So, time for a road trip. Buckle up!
Yeah, that's it.
We're on! Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, get it.
Think we can hook another truck up to it?
Leverage. Leverage. Leverage is how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. Good old leverage. So apparently this thing was last tagged in 2003. I find that really interesting. If a 1950 tow truck was still running around Oklahoma in December of 2003, that would be pretty freaking awesome. Okay, sports fans, there was the 6-cylinder that was in this truck. It's a factory engine. You'll see there's still fuel right there in the filter right before the carburetor. Apparently this thing was still running in 2003, so yeah. Say what you want, but these old trucks take a ticket and keep on licking. That's what I love about old cars. It's a Prince Albert can that was screwed into the A-pillar just above the windshield on the driver's side of this 1950 Chevrolet pickup. I guess somebody liked to keep his smokes right there handy. Yep, amazing finds. There has been a feast of pecans going on under the fuel tank. Front floor is a little rough, but we figured we were going to need to replace some of it anyhow, so not a real big concern. Area under the seats, not too bad at all. You may be surprised to learn that all 4 tires actually aired up. Of course, one of them had a tube in it, and it was blowing a bubble out the sidewall, but it was enough to get it off the trailer. So we got home safely, survived the cold, survived 16 and a half hours of driving, and now we can pull the body off of that and start preparing it to go on the S10 frame. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and why don't you stop by oldgrumpsgarage.store and pick up a t-shirt or a hoodie or sticker or coffee mug or something. We could use your help to keep the channel rolling and to keep the projects coming. Thank you. Have a great day.